How is everyone today? Welcome to our YouTube channel. May your days be long and prosperous and blessed. What's up, tough? Thor? But chilling. Anyways, our topic of the day is the New Year's resolutions. Now, you ask me why this early. I'll tell you why. It's never too early to start a goal. You can start it yesterday, the day before yesterday, tomorrow, tonight, in 30 seconds. And I've already started one of my goals. And I am bound and determined to actually complete it. I hope everyone does the same thing, or think about the same thing. Now, what I'm talking about is a thing called CD accounts. And I know there's different variations: CD ladders, CD belt bars, CD however many months. And I'm choosing right now just the Easy Start certificate from Navy Federal. It has a 0.40% APY, which is fine. One is 3 months, one is 4 months. And I'm bound and determined to save money. Right now I have, I think, $60 in that account, which is absolutely a good thing. I can't touch it. I'm a terrible saver. And the more money that I see in it, I want it to trigger in my head, because I am dyslexic sometimes, a lot of times. Maybe I drink too much caffeine. That I save. There are a few debts that I need to pay off. I need to keep up with my credit cards. That's one of my other goals. I need to keep up with my truck. I need to keep up with where I'm living at, a roof over my head. I want to eventually open up an account for Tuffy, so just in case I need to take him to the vet for whatever reason, I always have some type of money and I don't have to worry about it. I'm not sure a good amount at this point, but that's pretty much it in a nutshell. What's your New Year's resolution? What is it? Tell me, leave me a comment. Enjoy life. Thanksgiving is near. And, have fun. Stay safe. Stay inspired. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, because it truly helps with the algorithm. And I think it's done raining, so I am going to crack. Nope, it's still raining, but I need air. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go, and see you next time.